demonstrate how insulin and glucose are related.
In a healthy body, the protein insulin is released to help the cells absorb sugar molecule glucose.
When a person eats carbohydrates, the digestive system breaks them down into glucose molecules. Then the glucose is absorbed into the bloodstream and travels to the muscle, fat, and liver cells through the circulatory system. A series of events allow the glucose to enter the cells, but let's take a closer look. As we see here in the model, the entrance of a high amount of glucose into the body triggers beta cells in the pancreas to release insulin. This insulin, seen here as a traveling marble, travels through the bloodstream and binds to an insulin receptor protein. This causes phosphorylation reactions. In the model, we see that the marble causes the glucose transport proteins to spin, signaling the cell membrane to open. In the body, the GLUT4 protein is signaled to attach to the cell membrane, which creates entrance channels for the glucose. Finally, we see that in the model, the green glucose molecules that were outside the cell can enter through the cell membrane. Now the cells can use energy from the glucose to perform important functions. However, if an individual has diabetes, the system fails to function correctly. Type 1 diabetes is caused when the body produces either no insulin or not enough of it. In our model, the insulin, or marble, is not released when the pancreas senses glucose intake. With type 2 diabetes, enough insulin is released. However, the body's cells do not properly respond to the insulin, and the chain reaction that opens the cell membrane to glucose does not occur. In our model, the marble does not have enough force to pull the string that opens the cell membrane for the glucose to enter. We hope that answered all your questions about how glucose and insulin are related in the body.